Imagine visiting a normal looking website and without clicking anything, your device is silently hacked. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This is what we call a drive-by attack-on of the stealthiest cyber threats today. Welcome to CyberSOAR, your go-to place for cybersecurity awareness and digital safety. What is a drive-by attack? A drive-by attack is a type of cyber attack that installs malware on your device automatically when you visit a compromised or malicious website. No downloads, no clicks, just a simple page visit is enough. How it works. Attackers often target legitimate websites using vulnerabilities like SQL injection or cross-site scripting. Once the site is compromised, they inject malicious code which waits for the next visitor to drop the payload. Your browser unknowingly runs this code in the background, leading to what we call a silent infection. You won't know until strange things start happening: pop-ups, slow performance, or even data theft. Why it's dangerous? Drive-by downloads are dangerous because they're automatic, hard to detect, and often platform agnostic, meaning your phone, laptop, or tablet can all be targets. How to protect yourself? Always update your browser and plugins. Use web filters and endpoint protection. Turn on click to play for plugins and avoid unknown sites. And finally, train yourself and your team on cyber hygiene. Drive by attacks are silent but deadly. Stay informed, stay protected. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your team, and subscribe for more practical cybersecurity tips.